Welcome to BMC Helix ITSM. In this video, let's learn how to use Major Incident Report in BMC Helix ITSM. Accurate and timely reporting is critical during major incidents. To begin, open a potential major incident. As a service desk agent, you can mark the incident as a major incident candidate. Add a major incident manager to the ticket and click Save. Now, as a major incident manager, you can mark the incident as a major incident. Add a communication coordinator to the ticket. Assign the team members to the ticket to coordinate and resolve the issue. The team members can add activity notes on the ticket after collaborating with all the stakeholders. Now, as a communication coordinator or a major incident manager, you can resolve the major incident to trigger report generation. Click Ask HelixGPT to generate resolution notes. Add the required fields, and then click Save. BMC HelixGPT automatically generates a major incident report. Refresh the incident ticket, and then click View Report. The major incident report includes structured details such as incident identification, executive summary, timeline of actions, impact assessment, root cause analysis, resolution steps, and recommendations. If required, edit and download the report to share it with the stakeholders. As an administrator, you can also customize the major incident report template to match your company's branding. Select the major incident report template and click Copy Template to create a version you can customize. Choose the company, enter a template name, and click Create Copy. On the edit screen, by default, the template uses the BMC Helix logo and the company name. Update the logo, company name, colors, header, footer, and click Save. Your customized template now appears as a separate entry. And that's how you generate, view, edit, and customize major incident reports using BMC HelixGPT. For more information, click the link in the description to visit our product documentation. Thank you for watching.